How to make your child develop leadership skills. Leaders stand out from the crowd because they make decisions and take initiative while others remain passive. If you want your child to become a leader, help them develop the following personality traits: independence, autonomy, and responsibility. Independence means doing things without help. Autonomy means making decisions based on own criteria, and responsibility means taking ownership of one's actions. To develop your child's independence, allow them to do things on their own and to make mistakes so they get used to the concept of learning by doing. To develop the autonomy, make them reflect by asking them questions like, where did you get this information from? Or what's the reason for doing this or that? And to teach responsibility, show them the connection between what they do and the consequence of their actions. Once your child has internalized these personality traits, they will be perceived as leaders in every environment.